Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can use the canvas size command in the menu bar to add or remove workspace around the actual image file. You can also use this command to crop an image by decreasing the canvas size. To use this command, select Image, Resize, Canvas Size from the menu bar. In the Width text box, type the number you want for the width, and then use the adjacent drop-down to the right to select the associated unit of measurement. In the Height text box, type the number you want for the height, and then use the adjacent drop-down to the right to select the associated unit of measurement. If you check the Relative checkbox, which resets any measurements you have made, you can re-enter the numbers and units to adjust the canvas size in relation to its current size. In the Anchor section, click a square to set the anchor point for the image. The growth or shrinkage of the canvas will occur in the direction shown by the black arrows that extend from the square you select. Below that, use the Canvas Extension Color drop-down to select the color to apply to the canvas extension if you are extending the size of your image. You can also just click the small color box to the right of that drop-down to select a custom color using the color picker if you prefer. To apply the changes that you made, click the OK button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.